Hello YouTube. A couple of days ago I was shopping in Walmart, and I happened to go into the sporting goods department, and it was pretty depleted. I don't know if supply just hasn't caught up since COVID started, if they're just kind of holding off until the Christmas Black Friday thing, but anyway, they really didn't have very much, and I was about to leave, and I happened to notice in a corner of a display case a couple of folding knives, and I thought, well, let me take a look at these, and I picked this one up and looked at it, and I thought, wow, that looks like that could be a fairly decent carving knife, and maybe have some camp applications. So what we have here is an OZARK TRAIL folding knife. This is called a model Mossy Oak Winter 8602S. So it has a snow camo type pattern to it, which in my area is not very applicable. We almost never see snow, and when we do, it's an oddity, and it's a very fleeting thing. It melts almost as fast as it snows, being here on the coast of California, but we do sometimes in our Santa Lucia mountain range get some. Anyway, thought I would check this out, so I've already snipped the package. I'll just set that aside. So have a kind of a very odd bevel somewhere on this blade, somewhere between a Tanto and a drop point, and a chisel point. It's a very strange point, but when I saw it I thought, wow, that looks really like that would be a really tough blade for carving. With almost a spear point in some ways, and a drop point. It's just an odd shape, and it just caught my eye. And then the size of the handle I thought was kind of on the large side, and got a little bit of a choil up here, not much. Pocket clip, but I don't have particularly big hands, and it's just a tad small in my hand, but not bad. Now for a size comparison, here we have that, and here's my buck 110. So the overall length on this Mossy Oak OZARK TRAIL is 6 3/4 inches, and has a 4-inch handle and a blade of 2.75 or 2 3/4 inches. Here locally, our ordinances only allow carry of a locking blade less than 3 inches, so this would certainly be applicable here in this area. It has a thumb stud for deploying, nice and tight, no looseness, no side-to-side play. It's not going to be a lightning fast deploying knife, but I don't expect it to be. Another thing I like about it, has a lanyard hole back here in the handle. It has pillars separating the scales and the liners, so it's real easy to clean. You can just wipe or blow the dust out. And again, like I said, a pocket clip, liner lock. Excuse me, a little sneeze there. Yeah, not a bad knife. $5.25 at the Walmart. So it's not particularly heavy. I don't know. It doesn't show a weight on the package, but it's quite light, and I think it would be very comfortable in the pocket. So I'm going to take that out and try some carving with it later. Of course, the quality's nothing like my US made buck 110. Blade sharpness from the box it'll do. I mean, you know, all of these knives have to be sharpened to get any kind of performance out of them. They just throw a quick grind on them and knock them out. But I do like it. It's probably a good little budget knife. If you lose it, you're not going to cry about it. My buck 110, oh yeah, I'd be bummed. But this is much heavier, the buck 110. Solid, just heavy and solid. And that beautiful buck edge. There's just no comparison of the two. But like I said, this is a good budget knife, something to throw in a pack, or maybe to for that youngster that's a scout, or you just want something to throw in a glove box. But we'll take it out and test it today, and then we'll shoot another piece of video and talk about how it did. So again, that's the OZARK Trail folding knife, and the model is the Mossy Oak Winter 8602. S is in Sam. $5.25 at Walmart. Hopefully this Black Friday we'll see some more stuff. I actually went down there looking for their stag handle knife that looks very similar to a buck 110, but has a pocket clip, and they didn't have any, even though their Walmart page said, oh, in stock. I've never had any luck getting employees to go check stock in the back. They just won't do it. I worked at a retail store, and we were happy to go back to stock room and find stuff for people. We wanted the sale, but I've never found that to be true at Walmart. They just won't make the effort, and it's really too bad. Okay, so there you have it. We'll talk to you later. Bye.